Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. It's easy peasy to make them, so if you are starting, these are probably the best option you can have. What are you waiting for? Grab your tools and let's get started. I'm going to be using this black thread, but I want you to use the transparent one because it's going to be clearer. First of all, insert 4 beads on your needle like this. Take them to the end of the cord of the thread like this and make a double knot. This is just a simple knot, not rocket science. Now come through the first bead you have, just like so. To hide the knot, just pull gently a little bit and cut the excessive thread you have. Insert the first seed bead and go through the first tube bead. Pull a little bit and you have your first corner. Insert another seed bead and go through the next one. You have your second corner done. Insert a third seed bead and come through the next tube bead we have. As you can see, we are making this square shape. It's what we need. Do it one more time, and as you can see, we have like a diamond shape done. The thread is coming from one of the tubes, just like this. And now it's time to add this swarovski bead we have. I've chosen this green color, but there's 1,000 colors to choose, so feel free to choose the one you like the most. You're gonna place this swarovski bead in the middle. And now you have to come through the next tube you have. It doesn't matter if it's the upper one or the one is below the seed bead, it doesn't matter, just whatever you like, it's gonna be the same. The most important point here is you have to tighten this very well because otherwise it's gonna look terrible. Now come through the seed bead we have in one of the corners. The corner is just next to the tube where the thread is coming from. And now insert 6 seed beads. 6 is the perfect number here because we are gonna make a kind of a loop. Yeah, I think it's a loop. So as you can see, the thread is coming to the left, so we have to insert the bead from the right in the same bead we were working on. I don't know how to describe that in English, it's so difficult. So here you can make a simple knot, but what I'm going to do is just go around all this loop again just to make it stronger. But I insist it's not necessary, it's just because I feel my work more secure. So when you are done, all you have to do is to make a knot, a simple knot. Pull to tighten very well, that is important, and now go through this middle seed bead we have, the one between the two tubes, and make another knot. This is the reason I told you to use the transparent thread. This thread is very visible, isn't it? Cut the excessive thread you may have and add an earring hook. Actually, this earring is done. All you have to do is to repeat this because remember, you have 2 ears. And as usual, I made a ton of earrings just to show you different options. For example, check this little red one. It's made with little tubes, but honestly, I don't really like it as much as the others. Let me know about your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry, hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very, very happy.